is Anya, and today I really want to make some raspberry and white chocolate cupcakes. So if you like this video, give it a like, comment and subscribe to my channel for more videos. And don't forget to hit that notification bell to be notified every time I upload. Upload every day, Monday to Friday. In a saucepan, add in a half a cup of raspberries, a half a cup of sugar, and a quarter cup of water. Bring to the boil and allow to cook until the fruit is soft. Strain through a sieve and allow to cool to room temperature. In a bowl with 1.5 cups of flour, add in 1 teaspoon baking powder and a pinch of salt. Mix and set aside. In a bowl, combine 110 grams of butter and 70 grams of sugar. Mix until light and fluffy. Add in 2 eggs, one at a time. Add in 1 teaspoon vanilla essence and mix until well combined. Add the dry ingredients in 2 batches. And add in 2 tablespoons of milk. Mix until well combined. Add in a half a cup of chopped up white chocolate. Mix until well combined. Spoon into prepared cupcake cases. Add 1 tablespoon of the raspberry sauce into each cupcake. Swirl around with a skewer and bake at 180 degrees Celsius for 15 to 20 minutes. Once your cupcakes have cooled, place some melted chocolate into a piping bag and pipe some squiggles on top of each cupcake.